So guys, many people are asking me why are you making videos on YouTube, and some people are asking me why did you create a YouTube channel, and also some people are suggesting me to, Arey yaar, don't make videos on YouTube. Happily we have YouTube app, so we can open YouTube app and we can watch many videos and we can entertain ourselves. So like that, many people are asking me and many people are saying to me. So guys, here's the video. So today in this video I'll tell you the truth. So why did I start a YouTube channel? So why am I making videos on YouTube? So I am just 15 years old. So I'm just 13 years old when I started YouTube channel, and now I am 15 years old. So why I am making videos on YouTube? So I say make sure that you watch this video till and on, and also if you have time, then make sure that you share this video to everyone, and also you have to watch this video. So I say. So guys, if you have more time, then make sure that you watch this video till end and also share this video to everyone, because today in this video I will not only tell about me but also I will tell you the real story of a YouTuber. So make sure that you watch this video till end, because this video is going to be very important. So I am Shafi, you are watching Shafi Technique channel. Without wasting any more time, let's get it started. Okay, so guys, let me tell you clearly. So guys, YouTube. So guys, YouTube is not a platform only to watch videos and to entertain yourself. So guys, YouTube is also a platform to share the knowledge. So guys, for example, I'll tell you. So I am one YouTuber, means I make technology videos because I love technology. I have a talent in technology. But I am not telling that I am having more talent, and I am not telling that I am having less talent. So guys, what I am telling is I have a talent and I want to share that talent. So I said not only every YouTuber. So I say on YouTube many categories are there, like vlogging, prank and singing, dancing and many more. So I say you see their videos, so you see the first video and you see the latest video. So they'll have much different. So they will share their knowledge. So I say that is what YouTube are. So in this on this YouTube platform you can share your talent throughout the world. So according to my view, so guys, I did not start my YouTube channel for the sake of money. So definitely in my view money is totally waste. So in my view I did not start a YouTube channel. I am not making videos on YouTube for the sake of money. Money can't do anything or more. So first of all, what I want is, so I have a talent and I want to share the talent to everyone. So I am not telling that I am having 100% talent, and also I am not telling I am having a 0% talent. So I have a talent. I have a certain talent, and that talent only I am sharing with you all. And also you see some other categories. So they are not telling, they will not have more talent and they will not have less talent. Whichever talent they have, whichever knowledge they have, they'll share that knowledge only with you. So even I want to share my knowledge with you all, with you totally the world, and I want to guide many people. I want to guide many people regarding technology, and also I want to become somewhat famous. I want to get good days when I want to become famous. So it's a move to the money in my year. So say definitely about money I not think anything. So I say. So I no move to the money. So I say about the money I not think anything. So I don't want to earn money. I'm not interested to earn money on YouTube. So I say it doesn't matter if I get money or if I won't get money on YouTube. But the real thing is, so I say I want to make videos on YouTube and I want to share my knowledge with you all, and also I want to get good name. I want to help you all. I want to guide you, and also I want to become famous. So these are my real reasons to start a YouTube channel. And also let me tell you, money cannot change anything. So guys, with the money you can make some good videos, like you can buy some you can buy a camera, also you can buy some accessories, but with that money you can't do much thing. So don't come to YouTube for the sake of. And also let me tell you, so guys, I'm not having any 1,000 subscribers, always 500 subscribers. I'm having only 230 subscribers. But even though I'm 100% sure that one day I'm going to success on YouTube. One day definitely I'll have millions of subscribers, and that so I have that type of self-belief. And also let me tell you the real story of a YouTube. So guys, a real YouTuber, a successful YouTuber won't make videos on YouTube for the sake of money. So a real YouTuber want to share his talent to everyone. He want to guide others, and he want to get good name, and he want to become famous. So that is why a real YouTuber. That is why many YouTubers are having millions of subscribers now. So guys, and also remember. So guys, finally I want to end this video. So this video came to end. So that's it guys in this video. I hope you like that. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share this video to all. And if you have any type of doubt, then comment me in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, Jai Hind.